What it is, every pony, I'm your host, Burning Axe, and today I'm doing Season 8, Episode 23 of My Little Pony Friendship is Magic. Once again, I'm completely titleless, and I have no idea what's going to happen, so without further ado, we should probably just get straight into this. I've just come back from watching the previous one. Well, I haven't come back, I haven't gone anywhere to come back somewhere. I've just kind of sat here in this chair and watched a bunch of episodes in a row, but you get the picture. Let's get on with this. 3, 2, 1, go. Okay, what's going down then?
I can't believe you two are going on a friendship quest.
Who?
This is amazing.
Oh, Fluttershy and Applejack, that's an interesting one.
We've been on one together before.
Have you?
Exactly.
I don't remember.
This is the first
Did
time
they?
the map has teamed up the same ponies for a second quest.
Oh, wow, really?
That is special.
That is, yeah.
Must be because
When
we're
did they
extra
go on one?
good at solving friendship problems.
Oh, it was when they went to
It
Manhattan, I
looks
think.
like this one might be a little tricky. You're going to the Peaks of Peril.
Who? Where?
Peaks of Peril?
Yes! What is it?
Just a name. It doesn't mean anything.
Like how
Doesn't it?
Cloudsdale is in the clouds and the Crystal Empire is made of crystal?
Fair point. So, what can you tell us about the place, Twilight?
Only what Rockhoof told me. Back
Oh.
in his day, no pony knew much about the Peaks of Peril.
Didn't they?
Except for the legend on this ancient shield. It says, a group called the Kirin used to live there, known for their kindness and truth-speaking.
Now we know why the
Kieran.
map called us.
Unfortunately, other creatures also live there. The Nirik, fearsome
The
beasts
Nirik?
with pure fire. Oh, maybe.
Get some more mythological creatures, huh?
Instead of me, Twilight. Sorry, Fluttershy. Flanks don't lie.
Flanks don't lie.
I'm sure the two
Oh,
of us will
boy.
get that friendship problem solved no matter what.
Watch that become some kind of meme. Okay, so we got the, I don't know how I'm going to spell these. The Kirin? Kirin? I don't know what they said. Kirin and the Nirik? No. Nirim. What did they say? The Kirin and the something beginning with N. Nirim. I don't think that's right. I think I forgot the second name. I'm just going to write that down anyway. Nirim or something. I don't know. That's probably really wrong. Yeah. So we're getting... I'm assuming these are mythological creatures, like the hippogriffs, the griffins, whatnot. So it should be very interesting. Looking forward to seeing what their designs are going to be like. Okay. What they got to offer then? Damn, look at this place.
Yes,
Sounds of
Pony X
Silence.
is going
First time
on
I've read a
as far
title
as
for
we
ages.
Maybe they know something we don't.
are. Now, Fluttershy, I've told you a dozen times. There's nothing to be scared.
Ah! What was that?
You really startled us.
Oh, it's just that I'm not used to seeing any pony taking the train to the end of the line. The final destination. The last stop.
We get the picture. Why?
Nothing but uncharted terrain and wild beasts out that way.
It's a good laugh, sir. This guy's gone a bit...
Well,
This guy's gone a bit
maybe
crazy.
there's a little something to be scared of.
The great laugh, though. Fucking Fluttershy, though. Alright, okay. Fucking Christ.
Those must be the.
Where's
people.
Fluttershy? She didn't follow you at all, did she?
Fluttershy.
She didn't even follow you. I bet she's still at that same rock at the pond. Or river or whatever. I guarantee you she's still at that same spot. Oh, there we go.
There. That should be enough flowers to keep your tree cozy.
Fluttershy! What are you doing? This is no time for visiting varmints. We're on a friendship quest, remember?
Yes, but actually...
Come on! We're burning daylight.
We're burning.
But what I found out is that...
Now we gotta get up that peak.
Listen, she found something out about the place,
We
alright?
can make it up half.
Applejack! Can you please listen to me? What
Wow.
I'm trying to say is, the squirrels told me a shortcut they take to the Kirin village.
Oh, Kieran. I probably spelled it wrong then. I spelled it with an I. Kyron.
Sorry, Fluttershy. I suppose I got a little too caught up in the adventure.
That's all right. If you hadn't come back to get me, I probably would have talked to the squirrels all day.
Yeah. I mean, that's you in a nutshell, isn't it? Oh. Well. That's nice, doesn't it? Nice looking village.
I hope that's not a Neeric.
A Neeric! I wrote it down. Neeric. Into the K.
Show yourself!
Oh. That's an interesting design. Huh.
Well, hi. I'm Applejack, and this here's Fluttershy.
I kind of like ponies, but do they have hooves? I didn't notice.
If you have any friendship problems, we're here to help.
They look like they have friendship problems. They're like cats. They're like tilting their heads. That's kind of
Quiet
cute.
bunch, ain't they? We're from
Yeah, they have hooves.
Equestria, and we're plumb tickled to meet y'all.
Plum tickled.
So,
Do they
what
talk?
are your names?
Meow.
Applejack, Fluttershy.
Fluttershy.
Maybe they don't understand us.
Do you understand Ponish?
Southern. Why aren't you speaking?
But you don't speak?
They're kind of adorable. Oh.
Don't or won't?
Will you excuse us for a moment?
Don't or won't.
You have to ask yes or no questions, or they won't answer.
Like talking to Angel Bunny?
Not exactly. I can always tell what Angel is feeling, but these Kieran
Okay.
don't show anything.
Well, how are we gonna solve a friendship problem if none of them will tell us what it is?
This is a good point, actually, yeah. Ah, very interesting race, though. I like their designs. Very interesting. They've got, like,
Kieran are
longer
flatter
tails.
than an apple blossom on snowfall. Still, there's gotta be some way to make them speak. Beautiful day, ain't it? Knock, knock.
Who's there?
You say, who's there?
I did.
Police!
I like when they tilt their
Police
head.
who? Police! Say something!
Really? That was fucking terrible. Learn better ones.
Oh, I feel a sneeze coming on.
Achoo.
Achoo!
What were you trying to do there? What was that going to do?
Don't any of y'all talk?
No! You talked! What's that? What's that? A forest.
Now we're getting somewhere.
The trees talk.
Path that leads into unknown territory?
Tell you what,
Yes.
Sugar Cube. You stay and see if you can get anything out of these here Kieran. I'll go try and find one that talks.
Phew. Be
How do you know
careful.
How do you know these are the Kieran
Watch out
though?
for Neerics.
They haven't told you. These could be the Neerics. Hello. They just walk up to her like, hi. They all look like they've got Maud's expression. Hi, I'm Maud.
Yeah!
It's a squirrel thing.
Yeah!
Oh, there we go.
Oh,
Hello.
Have you seen a Kieran that talks? Any idea where I should look? Oh, for the love of Celestia! Can't you just say something?
That's great.
Gotcha! Sorry, but that was too good. Oh,
Oh.
I don't know how much I miss jokes. Hilarity. Am I pronouncing that right? Some words I haven't said in a while. Hi, I'm Autumn Blaze. You've just arrived, and perhaps you're tired or hungry or reflective and want to sleep and eat and journal, which you should do, of course. But first, oh, what joy to talk with another creature. It's been so long. You must tell me everything about you. There's so much to say, so much to do. Oh, look at me. I'm going on, and you haven't seen. I mean, have you seen? What am I saying? Of course you haven't. So just, I will just follow me.
She's a
That
very
is
interesting
something,
character.
all right.
Did I write that down right? Autumn Blaze? I think that's what she said. Maybe I misheard that. I thought that's what she said.
Wow,
A rainbow.
this is amazing.
Double rainbow all the way.
The way the light shimmers off everything, like it all suddenly woke up the moment you saw it, and you realize maybe the water and the mountains and the forests and the rainbow and the stars in the sky are all looking back at you thinking the same thing, that we are a part of the everything. That maybe there's just one thing and we are all it.
I was gonna say
That's deep, you know.
pretty, but yeah.
It's pretty deep. She got really philosophical there.
And this is just the first stop on a journey of amazing things to see, smell, tiptoe through. Oh, I haven't been able to share all of this with any pony in forever since they all took that vow of silence. So it's a lot for me to, process.
Oh, they took a vow of silence. Okay.
Whoa there! Vow of silence?
That's why they asked me to leave.
I
Oh.
hope it's not a sore subject, but you mind explaining why y'all went quiet in the first place?
It's a long story.
You'd rather not talk about it?
No.
I understand.
I'd rather see.
Go on then.
La 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 la. The Kieran used to speak and sing. We weren't always quiet. We told stories and funny jokes. My stand-up was a riot. But then one day a fight broke out and hurtful words were said. Flaring tempers were inflamed. Destruction quickly spread. And flaming red from head to head, it even burnt our bread. Sorry, I forgot how much I love rhyming. Where was I? Oh, right. My happy village lay
You'd
in
like
ruins.
Zecora, then.
Relationships got worse. Spoiler alert, we quickly learned that words could be a curse. No more talking, yelled our leader, the last thing said aloud. Into the stream of silence we stepped as a crowd. The water cooled emotions and peace was soon restored. But with no way to speak my thoughts, I got super bored. Seriously, there's only so long that Sudoku can keep you entertained. 'Cause rainbows won't light up the sky unless you let it rain. And shiny apples sometimes come with worms. No, you can't give up your laughter 'cause you're
What
scared of a
fucking
little
face?
pain.
That's the thumbnail.
Lesson that
That's the
I
thumbnail.
never
Oh god.
learned. I was stuck in silent prison with the voices in my head, till I tripped over my salvation in a helpful flower bed. I found a cure to clear my pipes, and I became quite chatty. With years and years of stored up words, I drove my village batty. They didn't like my jokes and songs and daily dose of news. The plays I wrote, the speeches spoke, variety reviews, or the story about the
This is a really good song, by the way.
opera stage, and fell in love with this opera singer, and he wore a freaky half-mask thing, and he played the organ a lot. And got all
Really?
booty because the singer was in love with another dude, so he took her away on this underground gondola. I mean, who doesn't love musical theater?
Shout to the Phantom of the Opera. I'm voicing in that, by the way.
I had to
Phantom
make my
Discord.
choice.
Opera Phantom
I could
Discord.
stay and live with them, or I could keep my voice. So I came here but left the couch alone. They're hard to move, with just the view for company, until you heard me groove. Take it away, boys. 'Cause rainbows won't light up the sky unless you let it rain, and candles just won't glow until they're burned. No, you can't give up your laughter 'cause you're scared of a little pain. It's a lesson that my village never learned. No matter how hard I schooled them, their
sorry.
heart is still what ruled them. Sometimes you gotta let it rain. Yeah, sometimes you've gotta let it rain.
Oh, I can't believe it. No pony should give up feeling their feelings just to keep from getting angry.
That's what I said. Well, when I started talking again.
I bet this here's the problem that Fluttershy and I came to help y'all with.
Really? Who's Fluttershy? Oh, did you name your shadow? Mine's called Silhouette Gloom of the Sundown Lands.
Silhouette. I'm gonna write one down. Silhouette.
Well, I'm thinking if we just go talk to the other Kieran, we can get him to welcome you back proper-like. Maybe even convince him to take your cure.
Oh, yes, of course. Oh, just one small thing. The antidote for my anecdote, it's gone.
There's no cure left?
I used the last of the false breath flowers to make it, and I
that
haven't
sucks.
seen them bloom since.
Well, this wouldn't be a friendship quest if it was easy. I'm gonna start
True.
by getting your friends to welcome you back.
Awesome.
You know, between you and me, I'm not sure she's gonna convince them. Nope. But I hope she does.
She's fucking adorable, by the way. Best character in this season so far. New character, I should say.
I figured out the friendship problem. Me
You
too.
did?
Go
How
ahead.
did you fi-
Bet that's a problem the Kieran never have. Anyway, we gotta get them all talking again.
Oh, no. We can't ever let that happen.
Oh yeah,
I
you
thought
figured out that
said
they
you
took a
figured out
vow.
the friendship problem.
Yeah, she took a
Something
vow,
lost in
man.
Translation.
The Kieran are usually peaceful and kind, but when they get mad, they turn into Nerics, creatures made of fire and vengeance.
That seemed less scary when it was in a song.
The last time they all argued, they got so angry, they accidentally destroyed their whole village. So the Kieran decided to make sure it would never happen again.
But that's no reason to stop talking.
Yes, it is. Fire is dangerous, especially in a forest like this. Think of all the animals it could hurt.
Not if they don't turn into fire-breathing Neric in the first place.
And how can you be sure that won't happen?
There's gotta be a better way than giving up all your feelings.
Applejack, you're not listening!
'Cause you're not talking any sense.
What are they doing? Maybe they got worried because
Oh,
we
they have
were
magic.
arguing with each other.
That's
Ah,
cool.
Shucks. We were just having a normal civil disagreement. Honest.
Where are they taking us?
To the stream of silence. If we hit that water, we'll never be able to talk or feel anything ever again.
Oh fuck.
Put them down!
It's all right.
Damn.
I think I know this one, and she's trying to help.
Well, yeah. Can't have them silence the only friend who will speak to me.
She talks?
You have no idea. Fluttershy,
She sings too.
Autumn Blaze.
She sings.
Well, thank you for that,
It is
ball
Autumn
of
Blaze.
fire, But I thought Nerics were dangerous when they're angry. How did you know you could control your temper?
I didn't. I guess anger's like other feelings. It's not about having them, it's what you do with them.
And giving up happiness to keep away anger is no kind of life.
I never thought of it that way. I can't imagine not being able to talk to my animal friends.
Fernflare, you used to love to laugh at everything. And Rainshine, you sung the most beautiful harmonies. Don't you miss it?
I know you're worried about fighting, but friends can disagree without causing a ruckus.
Every pony gets mad sometimes. Even Applejack and I argue.
What? When do we ever argue?
On the way here, and about the Kieran being silent, and right now!
We don't always see eye to eye, but we never let that get in the way of our friendship.
Yeah,
And if
that's
you're
what it's all
really
about.
angry, then take some time away to be a Neric where it won't hurt any pony.
I think they're trying to
Huh?
say something.
What was that?
Okay, are you hungry? Oh no, some Kieran trapped in a well? Okay, baby.
Really?
Baby fish. Baby fish mouth? Something? Anything? Just write it down. This is making me very
Wacky waving inflatable arm flailing tube man.
listening. I'll be right back.
I'll be right back while I do that.
You were saying.
Oh, you want the cure for the stream of silence?
Ah, she doesn't have it anymore.
Wonderful.
That's a shame.
Isn't it?
Well, it would be, except there aren't any flowers left to make the cure.
Are you sure?
Oh, beyond sure. Believe me, I've had a lot of alone time lately. I searched the entire forest 73 and a
I have a
half
lot of alone
times.
time. I do other things in that
If
time.
That second half could make a difference.
I wish she'd told us what kind of flowers she's looking for.
They're called
Yeah.
bull's breath.
I've never heard of that.
Fluttershy? A little help.
He says he knows where to find Fool's Breath.
All
Well,
right.
What are we waiting for?
Why is it called
Lead the
Foal's
way.
Breath? I'm gonna write that one down. That's a very Oh, there it is.
That's what Fool's Breath looks like?
Autumn Blaze never would have made it past the peaks to search here. I owe you an apology.
Why?
Cause if your kindness hadn't made you stop to help the squirrels, we never would have found this here flower.
And if
Yeah, there
your
you go.
honesty hadn't convinced the Kieran to talk, we wouldn't need to find it.
Guess it's a good thing the map sent both of us, huh?
You found them? Where were they? Tell me everything and feel free to add complicated descriptions and comedic tangents. Oh, right. First things first.
Found him over there. Oh, all right. You left out all the frivolity and fun. Well, I like the first thing you hear is a bunch of moans.
Autumn Blaze, you have given us a gift.
She has a cool voice.
Realization that anger is within us, but it is our choice how we let it out. We would very much like it if you came back to live with us. I can't say how much we've missed your beautiful voice.
'Cause rainbows won't light up the sky unless you let it rain, and candles just won't glow until they're burned. No, you can't give up your laughter 'cause you're scared of a little pain. It's a lesson that my village never learned. Oh yes, 'cause rainbows won't light up the sky unless you let it
Hey, friendship lesson complete. Oh, oh, you ended on a bro hoof. Oh, that's perfect. I'm going to end the video like that as well. Guys, wow, what an epic episode. That's one of my favorite episodes this season, I think. I really like the Kieran. And the Nyrix. My god, that design though. The fucking evil, flamey looking anger look. Like, ugh, flames. I feel like Burning Axe should have been a fucking Nyrix. You know, Burning Axe. It just makes sense. Anyway, that was awesome. I really liked that. Autumn Blaze, damn, what a great character. All of them, just great designs. Now, I'm gonna assume they're based on Greek mythology because most things are in Equestria. You know, they're all they always bring in something from some kind of mythology. I'll have to look into that, or you guys can tell me in the comments. Actually, you can tell me, but I probably won't be reading any of the comments for any of the MLP episodes because, and this is a bit of a sour topic to talk about. I'll just briefly mention it and move on. I've had a couple, like, I don't know how many, several different people give me spoilers for like this season's finale and such, and I'm just like, why are you doing this? Obviously I haven't read the spoilers, but I've got someone that checks my comments and he puts them in the held for review, and there is a number 4 in there currently. That means there's 4 things in there which I have yet to read. I will read them after I've finished the season and caught up with everything, and then at that point I can decipher whether or not they were spoilery. He says they were. In fact, he's got spoiled himself by reading them because he wasn't 100% caught up himself, which I feel bad for. But yeah, but anyway, there's just been people that just aren't able to shut up about spoilers. Like, I'm a reactor. Of course I'm not going to be... I don't want to be spoiled because then my reaction gets ruined for the rest of you. You're all here for my reaction, not for the episode. I mean, I know some people do genuinely wait for my reaction to watch the episode for the first time, which, fair enough, you know, if that's what you want to do, that's what you want to do, I suppose. But still, like, just don't. Why do you feel the need to spoil? Some people just ruin it for everybody, don't they? Anyway, let's move on. So, the episode, really good episode. Again, Autumn Blaze, adorable. They're all adorable. I like the way they cock their heads to the side. That's really, really adorable. Epic designs. I kind of like how the tail... I've seen some pony arts like that in the past. Like, not just recently, but like since before season. I've seen people draw like tails where they're just thin and then they have like the bushy bit at the end. Interesting. I like that they put that in for that design. I guess that's what... if they are actually mythological creatures, that's probably what their tails are like, which is very cool. And again, Autumn Blaze. Have to talk about that character. Very, very cool. Yeah, she's got a great singing voice. She sounds awesome, sounds adorable. She looks adorable. She has a cool backstory. She's very, like, just sort of... She gives me Gabby feels. Like, you know, like Gabby the Griffin. She was very, sort of... Just high energy, bubbly, really sort of enthusiastic and talks a lot and stuff. Yeah, I like that sort of character. I love a character like that. So yeah, and a good story. And I like the message somewhat of the episode as well. I'm really bad at sort of coming up with an explanation for things, but like basically the message was like they thought they had to block out their emotions. Because, you know, all it does is hurt people if they're angry or whatever. But no, it's, you know, as long as you control it. I mean, it's no different with people in real life. Like, of course you don't want... Some people are like, oh, I don't want my emotions because all they do is hurt others and whatever. And they're just like, oh, I don't want to feel all these things. But you need to. You need emotions because then you will never know... It's hard to explain. I'm not really the best at explaining, but basically you need them, and I do agree with that. And, you know, you could see kind of the both sides of the stories, and I can understand why one, like, basically the whole tribe was thinking this and why Autumn Blaze was thinking that. Obviously I was more along with Autumn Blaze, but I can see both sides of the stories, you know. Obviously from their point of view, you know, they got angry, they turned into this blaze of fire, and they just burnt their village down. That's dangerous. Let's stop doing this. Let's just get rid of our voices completely so we can never get angry at each other, because we can never talk to each other to get angry in the first place. So I can understand that, but but basically when once Autumn Blaze has figured out that she doesn't, like, you can control your anger and just go do it somewhere else, you know, kind of just like keep it to yourself, that kind of thing. Not bottle it up, but like sort of just have time out. You know, just be like, right, yeah, I'll just go over here for a bit and, you know, be angry for a bit and let it out my system, and then come back and be all happy and stuff. That's pretty much what it was all about, and that's what the episode was by the end of it. A really good episode. I don't really have much else. Let's see what else I put here. I put oh yeah, she named her shadow Silhouette. Oh, what did I write here? I can't read my damn. I think I can't read my own writing, especially when I'm writing it quickly. I think she named her shadow Silhouette Gloom of the Sundown Lands. Pretty interesting name, if that's what it was. Yeah. Anyway, she also had that one random hoof puppet, I guess you could call it. She had like a stick with a face on a hoof. Yeah, adorable. Again, adorable. I like her character very, very much. Feel free to ship my OC with Autumn Blaze. I'm not against it at all. Anyway, fantastic episode. Foal's Breath, though, bit of an odd name for that plant, that flower. Yes, Foal's Breath. Bit of an odd one there. Anyway, guys, thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next video. Goodbye!